Previously on Kinging It. You all know the score by now, but if you don't, here's a rundown. We bought a bus.
It was rusty.
We fixed the rust.
We're tarting up the insides. Craig passed his HGV licence so he could drive said bus.
Our time is running out and we've only got a few weeks until it needs to be completely finished. In this mini-series, we'll be showing you what it's like as two complete novices to renovate a bus from start to finish. We'd just like to reiterate that. We are clueless. Her name is Custard.
Custard.
And she's a big yellow custardy bus. Soon she'll be our home.
The best home.
And we can go anywhere in her because she's yellow like custard.
Custard.
Me and Bobby T cracked on with the ceiling, and as we were halfway through, two little Canadian angels pulled up. So if you're not familiar with Eamon and Bec already, they're two van lifers from Canada who recently shipped their van Trinity all the way from Canada to Liverpool and drove down to Barry to give us a hand. These guys are the experts, so we had the right friends at the right time to give us a hand with Custard. We'll introduce these guys properly later. Next job of the day, the roof vents. Luckily Eamon's taking charge.
I don't know why I decided to do this. I can just picture how much you're going to blame me when this is leaking.
Okay, we're going in with the fan.
There we go.
Okay, the first one's in and it's siliconed, sealed. Oh, it looks glorious. Eamon's done a great job. Now we've done the first one, we've got to do the other one. Just non-stop. We're making some major progress with Custard. She is looking fly!
Yeah, like getting her and seeing her blue interior, which was just delightful. And now seeing her progress, she's gonna be so beautiful. Like, I never thought she'd be as pretty as she's gonna be, and I'm chuffed to beans with it already, and she's nowhere near done.
But the best part about today is we've got two recruits who are a pair of absolute heroes.
Heroes isn't a word, Craig.
The guys are here, they're gonna help us out. We went out yesterday, we watched the sunset at like a really cool spot.
Trey's romantic.
Showed them a bit of Wales, didn't we?
Yeah, it was lush.
So yeah, we're up here. They cooked us dinner and everything.
I know.
It was proper.
They
like...
helped us and then cooked us dinner. We were like, oh, thank you so much.
So yeah, the nicest people ever. Yeah. So we're going up to Custard today. They're meeting us up there. They're like, we've cooked you lunch, so you can have a break. And yeah.
These guys, they did their whole van themselves, so like we've got the best type of people to come.
Yeah, man.
Like Eamon can do everything. He's so handy with the tools, and me and Bec, yesterday we was just painting and chatting, and it was so lovely. They're our kind of people, aren't they?
Yeah, top lads.
Yeah.
So yeah, Custard is getting mashed up today. It's so exciting. We're so close to it looking like a camper van, you know?
I can't wait to like. I'm shopping now for finishing touches and stuff. I can see it in my head. I can see what she's going to look like. She's going to be a masterpiece. As Rob started on the bathroom, Craig and Eamon cracked on with the tongue and groove on the roof while me and Bec started painting. It was all hands on deck.
We also found a hole in Custard's back door, no pun intended, so our mate Lewis dropped by to give her a weld and fix her up.
Yeah, it is just filler, but it's epoxy. It's a lot harder than like your normal household filler.
Okay, so the other day was a bit of a disaster. We ended up leaving the guys because we had a meeting that we forgot about in Cardiff.
Oh my god, everything's been happening and I just completely forgot we had a meeting with this guy, and I was like, oh, Craig.
So we left Eamon and Bec, drove to Cardiff, and we came back about 3 hours later because it was in the wrong place.
Nearly had a mental breakdown that day. This is stressful, man. I just wish we had longer to enjoy it, but because we're doing this so fast, which is great, because I think if we had longer, it would take us longer as well, wouldn't it? And we would probably put things off, but we're smashing it out, we're getting it done.
So when we came back from Cardiff, Eamon had actually done a lot of the ceiling. What an absolute champion.
I know, they're brilliant.
Yesterday we took a day off the bus because we were just sick of it. So the guys actually filmed what we got up to, so head over to their channel and check it out. But let's introduce you properly to the guys.
Oh yeah.
They're parked in my street.
They're parked and sleeping in Craig Street for now. They've been with us for 2 days, and we're gonna spend a massive day today. Smash it out, aren't we?
So check out the van. This is Trinity. Morning, lads.
How are you?
I told him.
Am I saying that wrong?
No.
Okay.
It just sounds funny in your accent.
I know.
Because obviously a Welsh word is like all right, Butt. So she goes, hiya, Butts. How you doing, guys?
Great, how are you?
Yeah, not bad this morning.
Hello,
Introduce
everybody.
yourselves to our people.
Hi, people.
Hello, what
Oh, there he is.
This is Eamon. I'm Bec, and we live in this van full time.
And how good
On Craig's Street. I was thinking the neighbors might think we're a little weird this morning. We've been here a little too long. I
this
think.
guy knows what's going
Does
on.
he? Yeah, and this is our home. Her name's Trinity. We built her out ourselves. Just did a little reno. So she's looking fresh and feeling great. And
We're gonna
yeah.
teach these guys a thing or two about van life.
So these guys are the masters, so
Yes.
check out their channel and they've got all the tips. And
Not
they've been
sure.
everywhere as well.
Yeah.
Most of North America, we're about to take on Europe. We've just shipped Trinity from Canada to the UK, which still feels crazy. I woke up this
Yeah.
morning, I'm like, we're in the UK.
We have a house in the UK.
Yeah,
That's
A
great.
vacation home.
yeah.
So cool. So you guys ready to smash it today?
Oh, like so ready.
Come on, let's
Come
do
on,
it.
Come on,
Custard. Custard needs some visual check marks from me today before I go
does.
anywhere. So yeah.
We'll do it.
Let's get it.
First things first, let's get some breakfast.
Look at this guy, just working so hard. Okay, we've been at it for about an hour and we've managed to build a box for all the electrics. So we're naming
A world-class box, don't sell it short.
pretty good, man. This carpentry at its finest. I mean, look at that. Flush with the other one, and all those wires are going to be boxed in there. It's a beautiful thing, mate. Couldn't have done it without you though, bud. So you got these two little legends by here painting away.
Hello there.
Look who it is. It's only little Jess. Always repping. You've been missed. Everyone's been missing you since the rally, mate. They're like, where's Jess? Why isn't she on the vlogs?
No one knows I've done it. I was like, who did the rally?
Did you do the Mongo rally?
I did the Mongo rally. Oh, what a trip. It's like all we've been talking about while painting. I try to bring up something else and Jess is like, so... No, I'm just like, this one time on the rally.
So the girls are painting the
great.
doors and they're coming up nice. This is Captain B. She's like project manager, isn't she?
Yeah, she's all over it.
She's in the van. Well, she's editing. That's what she says anyway. Okay, so the next job, we are putting together the other frame for this for the bathroom, so we can actually see what it's going to look like.
We have a bathroom! Yay! It has 2 walls! Oh, brilliant, guys. You've done such a good job on that.
Yeah, it's coming.
All right, Whitney, feeling sassamatas today, are you?
Oh, I'm feeling fruity today, so I'm rocking Whitney, R.I.P.
Ah,
But the time has come for Eamon and Bec to leave us, which is super sad.
I know, what we're going to
Because
do.
we are now officially on our own. It's just me and you.
I've never built a thing in my life.
Ah, miss you already.
Now you guys are gonna be real productive now that we're gone.
Oh, I don't know
Just
about
distracting you in the whole time, just eating lunch, breakfast, dinner.
that. I know. Well, we're actually eating with you guys here because you've been cooking for us loads, which has been
know.
awesome.
You take the next 2 weeks off eating.
Yeah, probably.
Just focus on the build.
But these guys are going up to North Wales to Snowdonia. You can have a wicked time up there.
Thanks, guys. Wish you were coming with and
I
Custard,
know.
but
I
it'll
know.
be a fun trip when we,
Couple weeks.
when we
Yeah.
make it happen.
Awesome.
We will see you again, my friends.
Okay,
Thanks for having us.
Thanks,
Love
guys.
you.
See you guys.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Okay, so this is where we're at. Craig, do you know we've got 9 days until this has to be ready and we leave? 9 days.
9 days and no MOT. So we need to finish this tongue groove, but we forgot this is a wire for the fan, which was supposed to go under here.
Oh.
And we tongue and grooved it. So now we have to try and poke it all the way through somehow.
Love it.
And then the other problem we've got is that the door closes there, but the bed's in the way of the handle.
Okay.
So we need to figure out where the handle is and how we can make it work.
Fab.
But that's just the detail. And then other than that, we just need to My mum's gonna cut foam for the sofas.
Yeah.
We've got some material to cover that.
Yeah, and then that one as well.
We got Paul coming to do the plumbing tomorrow.
Go on, Paul.
So we're plumbing the shower and the sink. We need to build a bathroom.
Brilliant.
We need to put cupboard doors on. We need to get gas.
Do you know how to build a bathroom or?
Yeah, easy, mate. Watch this.
Okay. Yeah.
Watch this.
Fabulous.
We'll get it done. Don't worry about us, lads. We'll be fine.
We haven't got doors on our kitchen. We had the, what's that called? The tap plugged in yesterday, but we've got no water. Yeah, we've got nothing happening over here. That needs to be carpeted, 4-way carpet. Then on the floor we're gonna have like a nice brown sisal carpet, which is gonna be sick. So yeah, this is the bathroom. It currently has nothing going on in it at all. So we're taking the tint off. We've decided not to tint our windows now. We're gonna get it frosted because obviously we don't want no one seeing your baked ass.
Baked?
Your naked ass.
Not baked ass. At this point we were both freaking out a little bit. We were on our own with next to no time to finish the bus. We had a big chat and realised that we would need to extend the deadline by about 10 days in order to get Custard ready for the road. It's times like these when you've got to be honest with yourself. But we weren't giving up. Everything we attempt, whether it's driving across the world from Bari to Russia or driving a rickshaw named Chapati the length of India, we always have naysayers and people warning us that we can't do it or that it's mental. Those comments always push us on. We always love to dive out of our comfort zone and challenge ourselves. As we always say, rule your own world, baby. Custard, you will see the world, my love.
And just as we had that heart to heart, we had a message on Instagram.
We've got a guy called Stephen coming from Swansea to give us a hand. So he watches our videos and he messaged us. He was like, guys, I'd love to give you a helping hand, and I'm a carpenter. So it's perfect because time's ticking. I can do certain things, but I lack tools and knowledge. So I get to a point and I'm like, what do I do by here then? So this is what Stephen's for.
Just gonna go get him.
What a legend. Man with the van, here he is. Hey!
Hi guys.
How's it going, mate?
You alright, mate?
Good,
Good,
mate.
nice to meet you.
Okay.
How you doing? You alright, lovely?
Thanks so much
Good.
for coming down.
No worries.
Steve's got Amy on the jigsaw. Here she goes.
Don't watch me. I will take a finger off.
Still got an arm, yeah.
Fine, Craig. We're on ball.
Okay, so while Steve is building a box for the back above the bed, I'm gonna try and install our bathroom walls. So we've got this funky little PVC clad stuff which is going in. He's been here all day and look what he's built us. We've got epic new cupboards. Absolutely banging. What a job. Alright, today's the day. We're getting some new carpet.
And it's lush carpet as well. I'm really excited.
So I've got my lush mummy here fitting the carpet for us. This is Judy, might have seen her before.
You do.
Dressed for fitting carpets. So yeah, it's going to run up the steps hopefully. Do you reckon, man?
Second attempt. Not
Yeah.
by a minute now. Now we're going to have carpet.
I know we spent ages on those steps as well, didn't we?
Soz. My decision.
So mum just come to give these a little first fix to see how they look. How good are these steps, lads? Ah, Custard, you spoiled cow. Oh, down at the first. What a day, what a day, what a day, lads.
I haven't even had time to fit tan, Craig. That's how busy we've been. 7:30 again. My mum's going nuts at me because I got to clean my room, but it's still a mess. I've been up here for forever. I can't clean my room.
Soon we'll have our own room, babes, and you don't have to clean it, you do have to clean it.
Ah, you just
There
said
you
it.
are. So yeah, super productive day today. Steve, mate, you are an absolute gentleman. The coolest guy ever, and like, yeah, came all the way to Swansea to help us out.
From Swansea.
He came all the way from Swansea to help us out for the day. What a champ. The cupboards look amazing. They literally like custom built cupboards.
Everything's bespoke in there, Craig.
I know,
How much
man.
is that? Oh, I didn't tell you, did I? So obviously, because everything's like a strange measurement in the bus, we asked for a quote from this company for a bespoke shower tray.
It's custom fitting one.
Custom fitted and all that jazz. Guess how much they said? £795. The car didn't even cost that much.
Oh lads, we've only got a toilet. Yes!
Let's go.
Never been so excited to get a porta potty in the
We've never
living room.
owned our own toilet, Craig. It's huge!
It's tiny, mate.
I'm joking! Next time on
The Adventures of Custard.
Oh, this is the best day of my life, lads.
Oh, it's too big. It's too big, it is. So they can't fit on any ramps they've got.
Failed, still.
Oh, cool.